Hey y'all, today I'm here with the Imacwheel, and this one has an error 04 on it. So if you've experienced this error before, it'll look kind of something like this. You'll turn your bike on and it'll just go to 4. No throttle. I don't think we get anything from the pedal assist either. Yep, nothing. So we used our motor tester and test that up to determine that it's actually a bad motor. And over here, I've got a brand new e-biking motor. They're a great company based out of Chicago. And I believe MXUS actually does some of the manufacturing for them. So they've sent us some cool stuff. Tire removal lever. Freewheel. It's a 6-speed, I do believe, this bike. Little instruction manual here. And yeah, we'll show you the fix. So as you can see, now all of our buttons work. The M is the mode button. Let's go up to speed 5. Ta-da! Pedal assist is functioning. Now I'm gonna have to redo the derailleur. Just adjust it, but that's how you fix error 4 on a Imacwheel. Now remember, you might get an error like this, and it could always be something else too. So make sure you check everything. The bike does have a push button for the throttle, so it won't work at first if you don't hit this button here. And just always make sure to go over everything. I like to do a standard electrical test. So when you hit the plus button, get headlight on and off. This bike does not have a tail light, but you can always test everything. Battery indicators looking good. And yeah, that is how you solve an error 04. See you next time.